Yamaha has, like we were talking, they have different sections of their lineups, right? So they have boats, they have jet skis, they have off-road stuff, like ATVs, side-by-sides, they have dirt bikes, they have on-road stuff, you know? The R1s, if you follow MotoGP, we have a lot of those. The R1s, R3s, R7s, the MT-09s, they have the cruisers. So Yamaha has a huge impact in the motorcycle industry and the boating industry as well. Some of the stuff that you'll see here on the show, on this side we have pretty much our whole lineup for 2024, starting with Jet Blasters, the EX models, which are, you know, entry-level jet skis. Then it starts growing with the VX, FX. You have the somewhat FX back there as well. You have the GPs, which is the racing jet ski for us. You have the new motor, okay, which is a new motor for this year. It's a 1900cc, non-supercharged, high output. Look at this beauty. So on this year, we're basically showcasing new colors, new motor, okay, that's just started this year. Like I said, it's a 1900cc, which we kept also our old motor, which is an 1800 supercharged. Extremely fast, really fun. So we have those on the GPs and some FXs. The smaller skis, they have 1100cc motors, which, like I said, those are entry-level skis. Thank you guys for coming by. Hope you guys enjoyed.